From the hands-on videos to the in-display fingerprint scanner to its actual official marketing material, everything is out. What's up guys, it's time to take a look at the official stuff regarding the Huawei P30 family. And before I get into the detail, I just want to remind you that tomorrow I will be announcing the giveaway winner for the Galaxy S10. To enter this giveaway, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and leave a comment on my unboxing video. Link will be down below in the description. Now let's start off with the specification. The P30 Pro rocks a 6.4-inch OLED panel that is said to be made by Samsung. It's a high-quality 1080p display with HDR10 support, and P30 has a little smaller 6.1-inch display. They both are rocking notch displays, but the difference here is that the P30 Pro has a edge panel compared to the flat panel on the P30. You get Kirin 980 chip, which is the same as the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It is really fast. 4200 mAh battery with the P30 Pro and 3650 mAh battery with the P30. We also got a crazy 40-watt fast charging and also a 15-watt fast wireless charging on the Pro model. You get in-display fingerprint scanner on both phones, which we have seen in the leaked video that it is actually really fast. It works really quick. I think it's using the facial scanner as well along with the in-display scanner so that it is really fast. And I also think that it is an optical scanner compared to the ultrasonic one that we have seen on the Galaxy S10 Plus. Again, we'll see more details about this in the release. Now, the biggest change is coming with the camera, especially with the P30 Pro. Huawei brings you its first ever super sensing Leica quad camera. It's having a 40 megapixel resolution with f1.6 aperture, optical image stabilization of course, a 20 megapixel lens that has 120-degree field of ultra wide angle lens, 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 10x hybrid zoom that has about 5 to 6x optical zoom in it, and then the fourth camera sensor is going to be a 3D time of flight sensor, which we have seen on the Galaxy S10 5G, but here it is coming with the P30 Pro. Laser autofocus dual LED flash looks absolutely monstrous on the paper. Huawei further explains the camera in its official pictures, saying that it's having a super spectrum sensor, a periscope telephoto lens, and a Leica made ultra wide angle lens, and a Huawei TOF camera. With a 10x hybrid zoom, you'll be able to zoom in on the details without compromising the quality thanks to its super 40 megapixel main camera sensor and optical image stabilization. You can bring the moon right before your eyes. It's absolutely crazy. If you look closely, you can even go up to 50 times zoom using its software. Overall picture quality will be improved massively, especially in low light situations. It will provide super high ISO, even in extreme dark conditions. You'll be able to take beautiful moments like candlelight dinner or fireflies dancing in the bushes. Like, this camera is made in that sense to provide more light in the dark environment. I can't wait to try this camera out. It looks monstrous on the specs sheet. Now, along with this, it is officially confirmed that P30 Pro can take dual videos. It can record a zoom in and a non-zoom shot at the same time, which is absolutely crazy. A full video is up on a YouTube channel named Parker Wallback. I really like his videos. He does these camera tests, so he probably got his hands-on the P30 Pro early, and he uploaded a 4K video which really looks incredible, where he zooms into objects without losing much details. It looks pretty insane. Along with the back camera, Huawei has improved its front camera as well. It is coming at 32 megapixel resolution. I honestly think that the front camera will be improved massively as well. What I want to see is a working night mode with selfies, something that we have seen with the Pixel 3, so that will really bring this phone's A game on the table. Overall, the cameras are looking insane. I feel like DxOMark is jizzing everywhere in excitement, and I won't be surprised if these are the most highest rated smartphone cameras. Again, on March 26, Huawei will officially announce its P30 and P30 Pro. I am personally more interested in the P30 Pro. I really want to try out that insane camera sensor. Can't wait to get my hands on. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about the P30 family, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.